What's up, guys? It's your girl NeesyraYCHELLE, and I am back with another video. Of course, it's on this look. I had to get ready early today because I had stuff to do. So if you want to see how I got this look, definitely stay tuned, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's channel so you can see all the different looks that I do and all the different things that I do throughout the day and throughout the week. And yeah, let's get to it. All right, guys, so I had to get ready to go. I have less than an hour to get ready as I drink my coffee like I got time. I tried to cancel this appointment, and child, apparently it didn't go through, so now I got an 8:15 freaking appointment that I'm really not up for. Cause I'm tired. Like, I could really go back to sleep right now. But the appointment is booked. So let's do my face because I got other stuff to do today. Which is why I was trying to cancel the appointment, because I got other obligations today. Mirror set. Let's do my face. So of course we're gonna start off with the brows, and I'm using the Morphe micro brow pencil in the shade Java. Guys, I have not changed this, and I keep finding unused pencils like everywhere. Like, this is like a good pencil. And I don't know. Oh, it feels so great to be doing my brows in my regular lighting. I've been in the bathroom doing my makeup. Alright, so I'm just using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Toffee, because I am pretty much out of my Fenty, but these are like legit the same color. So okay, this is the best it's gonna get today. I can't. I left my freaking powder. Thank God I got another one, because child, I don't even have 30 minutes. Yeah, I'm gonna do a mix of the Zulu, the Saharan 2. Okay, that is what it is. I am heavy-handed, like on my left eye. But on my right side, I'm real light. Okay, that's the purple. Then the crease has a brown in it, so I'm gonna mix these two browns. Okay, now I'm gonna cut my crease. Now we need to set that again, and I've been using the One Size by Patrick Starr to set the concealer. And once we have that set, now we're gonna go in with the orange that's in the Zulu palette. And I really want to use, a brush to just pack it in. Okay, next we're gonna go in with this yellow. I don't know why I be doing this to myself, because these colors don't be picking up like I want it to. I will say this is the one palette that I have issues with the color. This palette is more chalky than the other palettes. Okay. Now we're gonna go in with the Saharan 2 palette, and we're gonna take this color Aziza, and that's gonna go in this inner corner. Yeah, this is the one palette that does not blend well. Like, the colors don't blend well with other colors. It's like they just there. And it's like it's no way to make them more like, I feel like the more you try to pat it in, the more it disappears. Especially this yellow. But I am gonna go back in with this purple and blend it a little closer. Ooh. Picked up the wrong color. Alright, that is what we're doing for the eye. I'm gonna go ahead and throw some mascara on. You can barely see. And I'm gonna do the rest of my face. If you're not new here, you know how to do the rest of my face. I'm gonna go ahead and do that and I'll come back. All right, y'all, so finish my face. I'm gonna go ahead and do my lip on camera. I am using Sheba from Juvia's Place as a liner. And then, so for my lip, I was thinking of doing a nude just because my eye is so bright. What nude I want to do, I'm not sure. I think I'm gonna go for True Story by Morphe. It's one of their mattes. Yeah, I think that's a good nude for this look. So that's the face, and let me put my clothes on and fix my hair and I'll be back. All right guys, this is my final look. I just tied my hair up in this, I guess I need to zoom out some. Just have it tied up in this scarf that I, you know, made look cute. Have on my Apple Watch today, my Pandora bracelet, my Virgo necklace, and my D chain. And then I just have on this new midi dress from Boohoo, and I'm putting on my white coat slide. So that is what the look is giving. Very simple, very to the point. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's channel, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Stay chic, babes.